Fujifilm camera is famous for its sharp and clean picture quality. In addition, the camera mostly has a unique design, from cameras that have a modern and chic design to vintage and retro designs. On today's video, we have listed 7 recommended Fujifilm cameras in the early 2020. Fujifilm X-A5. This camera looks stylish with a design that looks both modern and retro at the same time. Fujifilm X-A5 has a variety of color choices: brown, black, blue, pink, and gray. This camera has 24.2 megapixels resolutions with 3 video format choices: HD, Full HD, and 4K. Fujifilm X-A5 uses NP-W126S Li-ion type battery, which has a power of 1260 mAh. This camera is very light, weighing only 361 grams, including batteries and memory cards. This is a perfect camera for people who love traveling. Fujifilm X-A3. This Fujifilm X-A3 cannot record video in 4K format. In addition, the Fujifilm X-A3 only has an ISO range of 200 to 6400. In contrast to the Fujifilm X-A5, which has a wider ISO range, which is 200 to 12,800. Even so, it weighs lighter since it is only 339 grams. Interestingly, the screen type of this camera is a touchscreen and can be rotated up to 180 degrees upward. This Fujifilm X-A3 is suitable for vlogging. However, because it is classified as an entry-level camera, there is no viewfinder on this Fujifilm X-A3. Fujifilm X-A7. This 320 grams camera comes with some features such as 24.2 megapixel image resolution, can record video in 4K 30 frames per second format, and has a 3.5-inch LCD screen that can be played in various angles. The screen is a vari-angle touch screen type and is suitable for vlogging. There are 4 color choices for the Fujifilm X-A7: silver, camel, mint, green, and dark silver. What makes it superior to X-A5? X-A7 has a wider ISO range, which is 100 to 51,200. High ISO helps you to shoot in poor lighting conditions. Fujifilm X-T100. Fujifilm X-T100 is a mirrorless digital camera. It has a color variant of dark silver, black, and champagne gold. For video, there are 3 formats you can choose from: HD, Full HD, and 4K. Meanwhile, the ISO range from 200 to 12,800, although it can be expanded to 100 to 51,200. This camera weighs 448 grams and uses a NP-W126S Li-ion battery with 1260 mAh power. Fujifilm X-T30. This camera looks like an analog camera thanks to its retro and vintage design. There are 3 colors available: silver, charcoal silver, and black. The image resolution is slightly larger, which is 26.1 megapixels, and this camera is APS-C type, with a crop factor of 1.53 times. This camera is suitable for videography. The largest format is 4K DCI with a resolution of 4096 times 2160. Meanwhile, the standard 4K format has a resolution of 3840 times 2160. Fujifilm X-T30 has a range of ISO 160 and 12,800 and can be expanded up to 80 to 51,200. Fujifilm X-T3. This high-end camera is available in two color choices, silver and black. The image resolutions is the same as the X-T30, which is 26.1 megapixels. The video format is available from two versions of Full HD, 4K, and 4K DCI. The ISO range is available from 100 to 12,800 and can be expanded to 100 to 51,200. Fujifilm GFX 100. Fujifilm GFX 100 is a medium format camera that uses sensors measuring 43.8 times 32.9 millimeters to 53.7 times 40.2 millimeters. The image resolution is 102 megapixels and has an ISO 100 to 12,800 range and can be expanded up to 50 to 102,400. The biggest format for video is DCI 4K with a resolution of 4096 times 2160.